But I used to have a flip phone. You guys remember flip? Who here had a flip phone once in their lives? You guys remember flip phone? You guys remember flip phones, right? It didn't have a keyboard. It had little ladders above the numbers that you had to click until fucking eternity to send a message. Guys, remember that? So a message on a flip phone was something like this. Look at it, look at it. Hi. You know? Try to break up with someone through message on that shit. It was impossible. It would take you so long to write.